Tutorial on how to use the Newton-Raphson method as a type of numerical method, and basically just revolves around you finding the derivative of the original function and just using that derivative later on as part of the formula to calculate for the next iteration. So here we have our original function, which is f of x equals to x raised to the third plus 2x squared plus 3. A very simple function. To find its derivative, you just, of course, use you can use a calculator or do it yourself, and you get 3x squared plus 4x. So I've already made the table here, what we need, the components, and I've shown the formula here, and I'll tell you how to use it and how to do it in Excel. So first, this is our first iteration, right? So this is our first iteration, and now we have to choose a guess, right? As our first guess, we're going to input into the formula here. So let's say we choose 1. And now f of x is this, right? So we just press the equal sign. And then this is first, right? 1, replacing the x here, raised to the third power, and plus 2 times this, right? X is replacing x here, raised to 2 and plus 3. So that's basically just inputting 1 into all the x's in our original function. And afterwards we have the derivative, in which we do the same thing, which is just this, right? 3 times x, which is now 1, raised to 2 plus 4 times this x, which is replaced again, as I've said, and you get this. So this is our original function with 1 and our derivative function with 1, and we have no error yet because, as I'll show you soon, but let's just do this for convenience to show that. And now we move on to our second iteration, and this is where the formula takes place. So at first we just had our initial guess, but now we have to use our formula to find the second guess, right? And well, not the second guess, but the second number we're going to input into the formula. And so we just input this formula right here, where x2, which is basically the second number that's going to be put here, equals to your first guess minus the minus this value, which is just your original function inputted by 1, over the derivative function inputted by 1, which is this. So let's do that right now. So basically it's just here minus, right? And you just divide this by this, you get this. And now the rest is very simple. You can just drag and drop, right? Drag here. And this is your second guess, or I mean your second a second root, the values of your second guess. And now you can get the error, which is basically just the this value, or the absolute value of this minus this, and that's your error criteria. And let's say we just drag and drop this now, and let's say our convergence criteria is 0.01. So here we stop at right around here. So this is our value, our root, which is here, for the function of this. So that is it for the Newton-Raphson method. Thank you.